In this lecture, I want to talk about the newest feature added to Insight Maker, which is called Publish Article, which is actually quite exciting. If there are instances where you've developed a story to go with a model and it unfolds well, though you may want to share this story with others who would find it off-putting to actually go to Insight Maker and have to step through the story itself. So this new feature, as I said, is called Publish Article. When you go here, the option is to simply take the story that you have defined, and Insight Maker will convert it into a standard web page with the same insight number as the model itself. It just goes ahead and saves it in a place called article as opposed to insight. And once it's finished, which it shouldn't take it too long usually, it gives you a URL. Notice that the URL is very similar to the URL for the insight itself. It's just the insight now says article. And if you open this, what you have is a standard web page with the story unfolded, picture after picture, with the text that you displayed in the model or in the storytelling. And each time the image changes, it goes ahead and presents a new image. And if you run simulations, it shows the simulations. And at the very bottom, there's an option for people to actually add comments. And if in this, when you selected or elected to generate the article, if you have a Facebook account and you put your Facebook account name in with you as the moderator, then you can go ahead and moderate the comments that are left on the document, if they are. And so rather than someone having to go to Insight Maker and actually step through the model step by step by step, they can simply read it in what looks like, well, what is a standard web page. And there are options to go ahead and post this to Twitter or Facebook, or email it to someone, or print the article, or a whole bunch of other places if you want to post it there. So it's just is one more dimension that is available for you to present the story that you have unfolded to other people. And I think it's very interesting. Also at the top, it allows them to look at information about the author or a link back to the model itself, so that if someone looks at the story and gets all the way to the end and wants to look at the Insight Maker model, they can click here as well as the link at the beginning, and it will actually open the Insight Maker model for them. So as I said, it's just one more option of a version of the model that you can present to other people. Now, the way that it creates this is that it takes the description that you have written here and treats that as, you should think of that as the abstract. So it puts that at the very top, and then all of the rest of the information that I don't know why this is open, why you have all the rest of the information that you have put together in the story itself, it unfolds. So even if you were to go and attempt to do a publish article for a model that you hadn't done any storytelling for, it would create that article with just this abstract and a picture of the model. So if you wanted to send a picture of the model to someone else for them to get a view of it, a quick view, you could just go ahead and generate a publish article, even though there isn't a storytelling that you have developed, you can just develop an article that's just the abstract and the picture, and then send that URL to someone. And it loads very quick because it's just a standard web page with .png images embedded in it. And it creates a new image for every transition that you make in the storytelling itself, such as changing the visibility so you see something, or running a simulation so that there's a graphic, or displaying different text at the bottom of the screen. So it chunks that piece by piece, and everything is there. So I encourage you to use this. I'm using it quite a bit and finding it very useful to send models to other people so that they open very quickly, and a person then gets to choose whether or not they want to go and actually look at the model itself. So hope you found this informative, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.